You remember before we place an order, we currently had 629 followers. You remember, right? We had 629 followers before we place an order. So all we need to do is to leave Facebook entirely and come back again to see if these followers have started coming in, right? So we just need to come right this and come back, and right here you can see we currently have 737 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already counted. Easy peasy. Guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to buy Facebook followers the right way in 2026. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbetter.net. All you need to do is to come to this website, create an account, do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing right here, and you are going to be getting these followers. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. How do you now create an account? You just need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You can see, just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place where you're going to put username, put your email right here, and create a password right here, and confirm your password right here, and come to this sign up right here, tap on it, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy, but due to, because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start doing all these things. So all I need to do is to log into my account, and I'll show you guys exactly how you can actually buy Facebook followers very easy in this website. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you log into your account, is exactly how it looks like. So the first thing we need to do is to come to this category right here, and you see this category, tap on it, and let's go and look for Facebook followers. You just need to scroll down like this, right? So right here you can see Facebook page followers. Can you see Facebook page followers right here? Tap on it and come to this service right here. Can you see this service? Tap on it and select the preferable service. But me, I like using the first one, so I just need to select the first one. And secondly, and the next you need to do is to read the description. You can see the description stated the minimum you can order is 100, the max you can order is 1 million, and the link you need is your page link. They say the service starts instantly, but if the order density increases, the service time may vary from 0 to 2 hours, right? So they also say that do not place second order on the same link when your order is still active in the system, right? Because if you place two order on the same link, right, it's going to contradict them. None of them is going to work. So when you place an order on a link, allow you to complete before you place another one. So right here, the root link is where you put your link. Easy peasy. So all you need to do is to go and copy your link, right? So let's go to Facebook. So right here, when you come to Facebook, right, you don't need to enter your profile, and the first thing you see in this particular account has 629 followers, and we are going to be purchasing 100 followers, which we will be expecting 700 followers. So right here, for us to copy link, you need to come and click on these dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? Can you see three dots? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down, you can see this page they wrote your page link. Can you see your page link? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you just need to come right here and paste your link right here, and come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want, right? So I'm going to be ordering 100. So once you put 100, the next you need to do is to come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Tap on it, and you can see right here they say your order has been received. So the next you need to do right here is for us to exercise patience, and this follow-up start coming into that account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund an account in this platform? It's very easy. So all you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you just need to come right here and click on this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on this add fund, the next you need to do is for you to come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and you will see the two options, two payment options in the platform, which is Quora Pay and manual. So you just need to select any one you prefer. I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. If you want to use Quora Pay, select Quora Pay, put the amount you want, and click on this pay right here. Once you tap on the pay, Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or bank? If you select debit card, put your card details right here, click on pay, and your payment will be processed. If you want bank transfer, select it, read this instruction and tell them I understand the instruction, and click on this continue, and Quora Pay is going to provide account number you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to copy this account number, make payment to it. You don't need to do anything. Automatically it's going to reflect your balance, right? So if you want to use manual, you don't need to come right here, select manual, read instruction. They say say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number. They say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Right here they say click on this link to get directed to admin contact us. So it's either you click on this link, or it's either you click on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp. All you need to do is to send them your proof of payment and your Growbeta username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually go and check if these followers have started coming in. So let's go back to Facebook. You remember before we place an order, we currently had 629 followers. You remember, right? We had 629 followers before we place an order. So all we need to do is to leave Facebook entirely and come back again to see if these followers have started coming in, right? So we just need to come right this and come back, and right here you can see we currently have 737 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already counted. Easy peasy. When you click on this notification, if you look right here, you can see they say blah 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 followed us 2 minutes ago, blah blah blah, and 39 followers just followed us just now, right? And you can see the followers have added. So this is exactly how to actually buy Facebook followers the right way in 2026, right? So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to get this follower. The link is in the description. Just tap on it and it will take you to the website, and you do exactly what I did. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.